This is a 18 Dodge Challenger. We're going to use an OEM key. This is the real deal. It is not programmed. You can see if I press the buttons, nothing happens. No panic. The Dodge Challenger 18. Connect. Ignition's off, the hazards are on. There's 4 programmed. I'm going to program procs. Now I'm going to show you, all this takes is one button press. You don't need to keep mashing at the remote controls. Okay, enter, one push, that's it. Look at the screen. That's it, keys program 5. Locks and unlocks. And like I said, this is a genuine OEM remote.